This is Motorola Moto G73, and in today's video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition feature. So basically this option allows you to lock your screen with your own fingerprint, which provides you with a high level of security, obviously. So in order to do that, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the security category, then tap at the fingerprint, choose the backup screen lock method that you would like to go alongside the biometrics. So I'll go with pattern, then enter the password of your choice, then re-enter it to confirm. After that, we can finally start setting up the fingerprint recognition. So the sensor is located at the side power button. So in order to add your fingerprint, just lay and lift your finger onto the scanner. Make sure to slightly rotate your position each time you do that, so the entire surface of your finger will be scanned and will add it in the result. So let's go ahead and test this feature out, see how well it works. Well, it works just fine if you ask me. Very quickly, does not react or rather recognize other fingerprints, so quick and secure. The next configuration or option for today you can find at the display category. It is called the display refresh rate, and in here you can either set it to be 60 or 120 Hz. Higher value will get you smoother visuals, lower value will decrease the power consumption. If you do not want to manually change those values in accordance with your current situation, you can just set this option to be automatic, and the system will obviously automatically switch between the best, set your screen refresh rate value to the best and highest possible value in accordance with the scenario that you're in. So let's say if you have insufficient battery, it will reduce it. If your power consumption is okay and you have a lot of power left, it will try to increase it up to the maximum value of 120 Hz. The next option for today is also located at the display category of settings. It is called the peak display, but it is much better known at its name of always on display. So basically that is the AOD. So turn it on by enabling this switch, then go into settings. In here you can change the clock style that your AOD will use. You can choose for the background of your clock style to be animated or not. Decide when you would like for the AOD to be woken up, or at which circumstances you want for it to be displayed. Decide whether you want for it to vibrate on touch, and block some apps from sending their notifications to AOD. So now let's check what we have resulted with and see what our AOD looks like. Well, so here is mine. Even once the screen is completely shut down and disabled, I can still check the current time, date, and recent notifications, as well as the power I have left. The next tip or option is rather a small one. I would like to demonstrate that you can show the battery percentage at the status bar. That's, as I've already mentioned, that's not a difficult thing to do at all. Just enter the battery category of settings over here and switch on the battery percentage toggle. And here you have it. And fifth and final tip I have is the only camera related option for this video. Basically, if you are a camera enthusiast and would like to gain more manual control over the pictures that you are shooting, just enter the Pro mode, and while at the Pro mode you can manually set the value for the focus of your shot, the white balance level, the shutter speed, the ISO level, and exposure value as well. So if you think that you can manually set those parameters to the better or more suiting values that they automatically getting set to, you just go ahead, enable the Pro mode, and use it to well, take the most personalized photos that you can. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions left or probably any suggestions, do not hesitate to leave those at the comment section below, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.